I will show you how to preserve fresh blueberries for a longer period of time. I'll wash them first. I washed the blueberries and now I need clean and wash jars. I'll fill the jars with blueberries. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I fill all the jars in the same way. I filled the jars and now I need lemon juice. I will add a spoonful of lemon juice to each jar. Lemon juice will protect the contents of the jar from botulism. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. My jars are 750 milliliters in volume and I will fill them with water. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan and I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. I will pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove and pasteurize it for 30 minutes from the moment the water boils. The pasteurization is complete and I will leave the jars to cool completely in the water. Store the jars in a dark place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.